How to transfer WhatsApp to new phone is probably inevitable and pressing. To work out what may be bothering you, this comprehensive tutorial tells you how to do WhatsApp transfer to new phone in 5 great techniques. Way 1. Transfer WhatsApp to new phone with WhatsApp transfer. To transfer WhatsApp videos, texts, pictures, voice messages, etc. across in any situation, you need a jack of all trades like WhatsApp transfer to solve the problem satisfactorily. Way 2. Restore WhatsApp chats to new phone from local backup. While moving WhatsApp to new phone from local backup, you should transfer the files to new phone with computer, SD card, or File Explorer. Local backups is automatically created every day at 2:00 a.m. by default. Android to Android. Backup WhatsApp on old Android, uninstall, download on new phone, sign in. Restore backup to transfer chats. Android to iPhone. Backup Android WhatsApp locally. Uninstall on Android, install on iPhone. Enter number. Tap Restore for message transfer. Way 3. Transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone via email chat. Open WhatsApp on iPhone. Go to Chat Email Chat. Select Chats. Choose Media or Without Media. Input email. Send data. Access files on Android using email. Way 4. Transfer WhatsApp chats to new phone with iCloud. Connect both iPhones to Wi-Fi. Source iPhone. Settings Apple ID iCloud Backup now. Set up destination iPhone. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Select Backup with WhatsApp data. Install WhatsApp on new iPhone. Access old chats. Way 5. Migrate WhatsApp to new Android phone using Google Drive. Backup WhatsApp on old Android to Google Drive. Sign in on new Android. Install WhatsApp. Use the same number. Restore messages from Google Drive.